Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I've got my very first unboxing for November and it is Lookfantastic. If you're new to Lookfantastic and you want to learn a little bit more about the subscription, then carry on watching. But if you've heard it all before and you're just curious and seeing what's inside the November box, this is version 2. Hopefully we'll find out more about the different variations in the QR code or the little booklet inside, but I'll go through that as the video goes on. But yeah, if you just want to skip forward to seeing the contents, then you will find a timestamp down below, so you're free to skip forward. Lookfantastic is a monthly beauty box that ships worldwide. It costs £17.50 a month. If you opt for a 3, 6 or 12-month subscription, the cost of the box comes down. For instance, if you opt for a 12-month subscription, which is what I do, I pay £13 a month. I do receive a PR box from Lookfantastic as well, but my paid-for box came first this time. Lookfantastic have given me a code to share with you, which is Beauty Geek, and that will entitle you to a free mystery beauty box when you take out a subscription. Inside the box, you'll find 6 beauty treats ranging from everything beauty related. Skincare, hair care, makeup, body care, makeup tools, and sometimes we get a freebie as well. The minimum value of every box is £50. I believe this month's box has a value of £124, but I'll pop links down below in my description as well as my codes and everything. So underneath this video you see show more or a downward arrow. If you click that, that'll bring up my description and all details, links, my giveaway on Instagram and things like that will be listed down there. So yeah, so I think that's it as far as information goes. Let's get on to open this up and see what's inside. We've got a little booklet here. Sneak peek for next month, our December box, the last month of the year. My gosh, I can't believe I say this every month. It's really boring. I'm so sorry how fast the year goes on, you know. Anyway, festive beauty box, the much loved brand Medicae. I love Medicae. I do really like it. And an ultra creamy texture that is faster and more effective at removing makeup than micellar water and traditional foam cleanser. It's a micellar mousse. So we'll all be receiving that in our box next month. And there's 40 mils there. It looks like there's just one variation and it's to do with makeup brushes. So I'll do those first. Let's open this up. Give you a sneak peek. Ooh, there. You can see. So we'll all receive a Luxie brush, but you'll either receive this one, which is 504 large angled brush. I do like this brand. We have had different brushes from Luxie before. Really, really nice and soft. Yeah, really nice angle brush there to get right into contour or blush or highlight, whatever you want, whatever you want. So you'll either receive this or you will receive a Louvia cream shade brush. Although saying that, there is no mention of a large angled brush. What? I don't know. You may receive a large angle brush, or you might receive a Luxie 205 tapered shading brush in rose gold, or a Louvia cream shading brush. Shader brush. So you'll receive a brush anyway, but yeah. So I can't tell you anything about it. There's no price of them, but there's QR codes. So if you do subscribe and you get this box, then to find out more information about the products, just scan the QR code and that'll tell you. So yeah, so I've got an angled brush there. Then we'll go on to the sneak peek from last month. So this was featured in October's box. This is Colour Wow Dream Coat Supernatural Spray. Magically transforms texture. Amazing humidity improving powers. And you're not going to see it because it's metallic and the ring light hates anything metallic. But yeah. It doesn't like my hair. I've got really thin, fine hair. It's not great hair at all. It just doesn't do anything for my hair. If you've got thicker hair, then yeah, I think it'd be great. But unfortunately for me, no. Encourage smooth, sleek hairstyles with this anti-humidity spray, a heat-activated spray designed for all hair types. Use every 3 to 4 shampoos, shampoo, condition, towel dry hair, comb through, blow dry each section using tension, dryer heat required to activate the product. So I'll pass that on. Next we've got some hair clips. These are by Brushworks, crease-free hair clips. These are handy. These are really, really handy. I've just had my nails done this morning. Do you want to have a look? Can you see there? It's like a beige with brown and black tips. They're shorter than usual, but I thought that would be quite nice, so a little bit different. And then coming into December, I'll go for something a bit more sparkly. But yeah, just had them done this morning and I haven't got anything here that I can open. I need to have a little hook on the wall in front of me, in front of the window, with a pair of scissors. Saying that, I could go downstairs and get some. I'm just being lazy. Really, really great if you've got a fringe. You want to pin your hair back out the way. If you're like me and you can't stand hair flapping around your face when you're doing makeup, I can't even watch videos of people with their hair down and they're putting foundation on and they're just moving the hair out the way when they're I'm like, no, I can't stand it. I can't stand it. You see any of my makeup tutorial videos or my makeup first impression videos, anything like that, my hair is scraped off my face. I cannot stand even the slightest bit of fuzz coming down. I hate it. If you're like me, great. Or if you've got a fringe and you don't want any kinks, then these little clips are really great. They are handy. It says useful when it comes to sectioning and styling wet or dry hair. No crease hair grips. So there's those. Next we've got a palette. This is by Revolution. What colour is it? Velvet Rose. So it's a £6 palette. Nice shades. Not too powdery. Love this one. This is beautiful. So yeah. Nice little palette there. The palette is the formula you know and love in a mini format, perfect for on the go and travel. It's a mini reloaded palette in Velvet Rose. Next we've got a product from Avent. This is a Pro Perfecting Collagen Primer, Touche Éclat, and yeah, there's 30 mils here. Avent is very hit and miss with me. Some products I really like, some not so much. I don't think I've ever tried this one though. It just says apply to clean skin. You know how to apply a primer. This product is why the value of this month's box is over £100. We see a lot of Avent in different beauty boxes. Doesn't smell of anything. It's very, very thin. I can't really tell that I've got anything on my hand. Lightweight with a silky texture, this primer creates a smooth canvas that's ready for any kind of makeup. Yeah, I'll give that a go. As I said, I'm not sure if I have tried this before. But yeah, Avent recently got in touch with me and they were really lovely. They wanted to collaborate with me, but I turned them down. Because of this big question mark over them and why we only seem to see them in beauty boxes. And they have a huge price tag. I'm not sure about this primer, but their moisturisers are around like £98. So a pricey brand, which doesn't make sense if you're only seeing them in beauty boxes. I like some of their products, others I don't, but I just thought I can't collaborate with them, even though they were really lovely to me. And they said they appreciated my feedback, but I just thought, you lot know my thoughts about this brand. Although not negative, it's just a bit confusing then. But yeah, so I turned it down. Do you think I'm a fool? Do you think I should have just thought, no, stuff it, work with them, Claire, gosh. Now on to Bondi Sands. This is Pure Self-Tanning Sleep Mask. There's 10 mils here, so it's a little sample. Love Bondi Sands. Absolutely love this brand for fake tanning. It's my go-to brand. I do like Skinny Tan as well, but I think Bondi Sands is my top one. I think so. Although the last one I put on, it was a Aero one, and it made me look khaki green. It's an Aero's mousse type one. I went for the extra dark because I didn't have time to do a double application before I went on holiday. So I did it in a Premier Inn in Reading the night before we were heading to Gatwick to go to Greece at the beginning of October. So then I came out of the bathroom and my family were like, because I look green. But no, do you know what? The colour was amazing. Really even, really gorgeous. And yeah, I could have done another layer. I could have done. But anyway, I'm talking too much. I am aware I'm talking too much. What can I tell you? Create the illusion of a sun-kissed glow with a self-tanning sleep mask. I don't think I've tried this one though. So there's that. So there you go. So there's all the products inside this month's Lookfantastic beauty box. I'll just go through them all, giving you a bit of a recap. So you've got a Luxie brush. So you might receive this one, or a Luxie tapered brush, or a Louvia shader brush. We've got a Revolution mini reloaded palette in Velvet Rose. We've got a Colour Wow Supernatural Dream Coat for your hair. We've got Brushworks set of 2 crease-free hair clips. We've got an Avent Pro Perfecting Collagen Primer and a Bondi Sands Self-Tanning Sleep Mask. I know a load of you love this. It just doesn't suit my hair, so I will be passing that on. Love a brush. even if I have 10 of them. I don't have 10 of these, but I'm just obsessed with brushes. So yeah, I'll be using that. I'll give that a go, see what that is like. Little mini eyeshadow there. The colours are really nice. I love the gold in the middle. Clips are really handy. I do think that's a great thing to add in a beauty box. It is, it's just handy. You never know when you might need it. And yeah, the Avant primer is full size, I'm guessing. Love the fact it contains collagen, but I'll have to try it and see what it's like. Looking at the products, I think it's not a bad box this month. Just one item that I know that I will be passing on, but I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of this box? Have you subscribed this month? If you do subscribe and you fancy a free beauty box, use my code. Please let me know what you receive. I'd love to know if it was a pass box or a random mix of beauty products that I've put in a beauty box or something, you know, because I don't know. I don't think anyone has told me what they receive if they use my code. But yes, thanks for watching, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. Take care. Bye.